Hello, I'm Sarah Susanka. I'm the author of The Not So Big Life and the Not So Big House series, which some of you may have heard of. And I'm going to be teaching a Not So Big Life workshop through Duke Integrative Medicine. And we're going to be doing it this year on Zoom. It'll be over the Labor Day weekend from Thursday evening to Saturday early afternoon. So I hope that some of you will be able to join me. If you've ever been wondering, why is it that I can't find the meaningfulness that I'm looking for in my life, and where is it and what's wrong with me? Why do I keep having these same thoughts that are either related to self-doubt, or perhaps that you jump at opportunities and then wish that you hadn't? We all have different programming. Maybe you feel like you're not enough. These thought loops stop us from acting in our lives. And most people, until they start doing some inner work to start to understand how they've misunderstood the programming from their parents and life experiences, etc., stay in that same series of thought loops for the rest of their lives. So this workshop is really about how to look beyond that patterning, to understand that it's just a program, and that you can live in a much more fulfilling way when you don't keep believing what that programming is telling you. Sounds easy, but it takes some work. So the reason I'm telling you this is that the Not So Big Life is the result of my having gone through that process myself, really worked very seriously with a number of teachers in what I call the art of living more consciously, in order to come to see how I myself was misunderstanding my own programming, and learned how to live much more fulfilling of a life. You have that capacity too, all of us do, but we first of all have to understand how we get in our own way. And so that's what this workshop is about. It's an introduction that no matter what spiritual tradition you're following, what you grew up in, what you believe now, this can truly help you open the door to more. The moreness that we all know is there, but we don't know how to find. So I hope you'll join me. It's always wonderful to meet new faces. And this year, because we're doing this on Zoom, we can have people join us from all over the country. And I hope you'll take this opportunity. If you haven't read The Not So Big Life, I hope you'll at least dip into it before the workshop if you do attend. And I've also included a link to a TED Talk that I did a few years ago, which will give you just a little bit more information about what this workshop is really about. So I look forward to meeting you, and I hope you can join me. We'll have a great time. Bye-bye.